Oh my god, I can't believe that I made this beautiful hair with 9 months pregnancy. Just 1 week to give birth to a baby, and I made this beautiful hairstyle. If you want to say I made this hair, don't go nowhere, keep watching. You're highly welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Odessiva. As you all know, I started by shifting the attachment. I cut it into 3, then I start to shift. This is rosemary oil and carrot oil. I apply it gently into my hair, comb, then I start to make my hair. Let me tell you the 2 reasons why I make my hair when I was pregnant. The first one is I want to go for a photo shoot, and the second one is I don't want to be looking like one old woman with my big fat nose after I put to bed. At least with my hair, you can see small girlishness in me, you understand? That was the reason why I made this hair. After making the hair from the side to the bottom, I just tie the tip like that. And this is how, if you are wondering, how did I achieve this straight line? This is the secret. I have a mirror behind me at my back, and I am using that small mirror that you were seeing just now. You can see it, I'm showing it again. This mirror is what I'm using to cut the line. That's my secret.
You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
After parting my hair, I cut my hair into 3 sections. Then I plait the right side to the left and the left side to the right like this. Then the other grip that don't have hair extension, I just add in hair extension like this. Then I'll continue to plait it.
You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
After making the first side of the hair, this is the second side, like corner to corner. I love knotless braid a lot because it's a good hairstyle for natural hair. If you are training natural hair, knotless braid is a great idea for you because you have to start with your natural hair. Because if you start with hair extension, of course hair extensions can pull your hair, you understand? But if you start with your natural hair, there's no way your hair is going to pull, you understand? So it's a good hair for natural hair, especially 4C natural hair. You can see the back now. I'm done with the back. It's so straight and neat. I'll be using this brush to brush my hair, then I'll start to make it. So for the front, to save time and to save my energy, to save my strength, I just section the hair like this, cut it into 2, then I'll just use this hair clip to hold the other side just like this. Then the other side that is free, I'll just roll it like this, and to just save my time and energy. So this is what I did for this side, and I'll be repeating it in the other side. So I'm done with this other side. I'm just going to repeat the same process in this side. Then it's just like after I've sectioned everything, I'll just pick one and start to make it just like this. It's very simple to make like this. It will just save your time, and at the same time it will save your energy. Can you see my nose? Can you see the way my nose was very big? Anytime I see myself when I was pregnant, I normally laugh a whole lot because the transformation is so much. I'm still laughing. So this is your other side. You understand the corner to corner stuff now. Before I will call my husband at work and say, hey, something have happened to your wife, I quickly grab 1month and biscuit. After all, I was making this hair in a storeroom. I quickly grabbed 1month and biscuit and started eating. You know, if you even go to the salon to make your hair, you have to buy any refreshment, any soft drink, and any egg roll. You understand? So this is what I'm doing. I have to see front.
Straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's
After plating this one, I just tie it in the bottom like this. I was feeling so much pain in my waist and I started doing some stretching. Is it stretching or yoga or exercise? Oh, I'm just stretching my bones. You know, all work no play makes Siva a dull girl. Then I started dancing because this is the last hair. As you can see, this is the last one, and I'm just going to plait it the way I've been plaiting the rest. If you have watched this video up to this point, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on that notification bell to be notified whenever I post new video. And for my returning subscribers, I love you so much. I love you. I thank you so much for watching my video and always coming back to watch my video. I thank you so much. I send you so much hugs, so much love, so much kisses. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. You know that feelings now when you have achieved something, you start dancing. So I'm just making sure everything is okay, like everything is equal with the hair. I'm just going to make everything equal and straight. After making sure that the hair is equal and straight and I've tied everything, and I'm just going to use this rubber band to tie my hair like this in different sections. Then I'll start to roll it in these rollers like this. Then I'll just fold it like this. After rolling my hair with these rollers, I'm just going to put my hair in hot water for everything to set. And after putting it in hot water, I'm just going to pat it dry. Then, guys, see my coils. Can you see that coils? Can you see the coils? I'm so happy that I made my hair. I'm so happy. Can you see me dancing? Can you see the hair? This is the next day of making my hair. I'm just going to put some accessories. I love this hair so much because I can part it to any side that I want to part it to. I can make it side part like this. I can make it center part. I can make it any style that I want it to be. I love this hair so much. So I'm going to be using some eco gel to lay down my edges like this. After laying down my edges, I will just use this scarf to tie it for the edges to be very flat. You know, it's natural hair. Then after that, I remove the scarf. Now this is my hair. Can you see my hair? My hair looks so good on me. I love this hair so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Much love.